Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be dealing with setting machine, and setting machine is a special laundry machine I use for ironing suits and special materials laundered in the laundry. The complaint is that the machine is not producing steam. We shall find out exactly what is the problem. You are welcome. In continuation of the troubleshooting of the setting machine, we'll be looking at the control system, all the components inside the machine. First of all, we'll open the top cover, check the water control system, the panel that controls water system. Then we go to boiler element contactor and check whether it's okay or not. Then from there we'll move to the vacuum blower contactor, as well as the breaker. We check the fuse, we check the breaker if it's okay. Then from there we move to the water solenoid valve that supply the boiler. Then from there we'll move to the water solenoid, the boiler sensor, as well as we check the steam release solenoid valve. You're welcome. There is need to check the control switches, the main switches, the switches that control the boiler, as well as all the other components of the machine, to see whether they are working properly, and also loosen the steam hose that supply the iron, and check whether it's also free or blocked. We noticed that the steam hose was blocked, and now it has been unblocked. There's need to test and also release all the air trapped within the boiler and also the steam. In continuation of the steam test, the red button on the iron is responsible for controlling the steam. So before completing the job, we have to retest and recheck and see if everything is okay before we couple the machine back or cover the machine. This showing you displaying the nameplate of the machine. The name is Pony. It's time to cover the machine and release your machine for operation. If you have any question or need any information, kindly go through my description and reach me on my email.